You want to be a millionaire? Well, there are a couple ways to do it. The first one is you get lucky. You have rich parents or an aunt or an uncle or a grandparent. They die and leave you a boatload of cash. You take that cash and you buy a nice house, you buy a boat, but you've got enough money to live on for the rest of your life. The other path is the hard one. You graduate from school. Could be high school, could be college, could be medical school. You're out now and you've got to decide what to do. Some people go work for a big company. They get raises year after year after year. They get a pension. When they retire, they've got a lot of money in the bank and they've got a Social Security payment to go along with it. These people have a chance to retire millionaires and have enough money to retire on even if they live to be 85. The other way is you become an entrepreneur. Some people say they don't want to work at big companies. It's like, I'll start my own tire shop or I'll start a software company the way Bill Gates did. They take a big risk because most companies fail after the first 5 years. So if you're an entrepreneur, you may be poor and never become a millionaire at all. But if you got a good idea and you work your ass off, there's at least a chance that you're going to start to make a lot of money. Also, you buy yourself a house when you're young, pay $50,000 for it, sell it for $250,000. You take the balance and you put it in your nest egg. Suddenly, you're closer and closer to having $1 million. So you can go down a lot of paths to become a millionaire. A couple of them need a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. The other one is just pure luck. But if I were you, I wouldn't sit around and hope I was going to get lucky.